opportunity over here. My name is Rajat Aneja, and won't talk much about myself, but I'm 25 years in the software development industry, and like I call it, like I'm there since dinosaur age. At that time, we used to develop softwares with online software, specifically with HTML and JavaScript and ASP.NET, or ASP.NET came later, but ASP pages. And that's where we started. And then we started developing the websites, online softwares. And 4 years ago, we stumbled upon this beautiful industry. And then we looked at it and we started developing this software. And 4 years on, it's still developing. And we have got plenty of things to offer. We tagged it as a complex industry. When we looked at it, it was quite complex. I'm a bit nervous right now. Ali is laughing because Ali has worked with me for a long time, yeah. And we developed software for Sunny Pine when she was there, and lots of customization was done. And we call it, complex industry like yours deserves a simple solution. That's what we are trying to do. It's such a complex industry. If you look at the wages, if you look at the kind of invoicing you have to do, like you got daily rates, morning rate, evening rate, night rate, then sleepover rates, and public holiday rates, and Saturday rates, and Sunday rates, and that's how you have to charge, that's how you have to pay. It's like quite complex. And we have tried to simplify the whole process so that you can, with a single click, invoicing is done and payrolls are done. So I think my team will take you further through the challenges and all those things what we faced. But it was quite complex, and we have created a very, very simple solution. So with the click of the button, it does quite a few things for you, saves you heaps and heaps of admin time. So that's our aim basically. So we provide, the solution which cater to your business. Like Bobby said, we customize it as well. We got plans as well, but you name the feature, we have it in the software. If it doesn't cater to your needs, we'll make it available as per your requirements. That's what we do. And then we have, the errors, creating the invoices, and efforts, to create the invoices and all that stuff, that gets reduced because you're not putting the line item numbers or your category names, or, what time to what time the service is provided. Our system, take care of this, everything on its own. With the single click, invoice is created. Even if you have got 100 invoices to create, 15 seconds, all the 100 invoices are created for you. That's simple. That's how simple it is. Then, so we looked at, when we started developing it, we looked at quite a lot of pain points, we met more and more, service providers. They discussed with us the pain points. That's how we developed the software. And currently I can proudly say that, there is hardly any pain point left. But if there any pain point comes in, we take care of it and we take it away. That's what we do. So, so next thing what we did is that we tried to save the admin time. That's what we know exactly, that how much you are getting from the NDIA and how much, you are paying to your staff through Fairworks, if anyone is following shared awards and all those things. So there is a gap money left for you. So we try to optimize that gap money. Yeah. So for that, we have a, dedicated, team of professionals, who does all the business analysis. We got team of, software developers and testers and everything. Everyone is on board to take this, software to the next level. That's what we do. Then, we provide the solution as we have discussed, and any, your task, which is, you are doing over and over again and again, we take it away, and that all is managed through our software. Then again, we minimize your complex administrative tasks. We save you time, give you more of that time, you can put that time to different use, and that saves you, lots and lots of time and efforts, what you have to do. So in our, we have got, different products, and I would like to invite Shivani here. So she will take you through, these products, what we have. Well, plenty of them, are there. Like some of them are listed here. We got software in disability care. We got software in support coordination, we got software in allied health, we got software for staffing solution as well. And Shivani will take you through all of them, one by one. Here you go.
Thanks, Rajat. I don't think I need a mic. My voice is loud enough, I think. But hi, everyone, and thank you, Magnum team, for organizing such a beautiful event. I have had a chance to connect with few people, made beautiful connection already. I met Ellie after a long time. So I take care of operations in Izango, and Izango started around 4.5 years ago. We incubated, we still have got that initial team in place intact, and that's the core of Izango basically. And I'm really grateful for my team. So talking about the Izango products, we've got disability care product, and that was our main product initially built. Whereas when we have added support coordination, allied health, we do staffing agency as well, we do aged care. So basically our main point was for Izango to be built to have one platform for all your requirements. So if you do support coordination, you can take support coordination CRM. If you do support coordination, allied health, disability care, then we will build that CRM that you can use one CRM for all your requirements, right? Because when I was giving demos initially, I faced that people were using 5 to 16 different softwares in their practical operations. And of course, your data is everywhere. You're paying so many software, and when you're getting audited, it's a pain, for your team to organize everything. So that's where we are trying to build, and anything is not impossible for us. So whatever your requirements are, we sometimes deny requirements as well, because sometimes our clients ask us something which is not NDIS compliant, which can breach the compliance. So we will not, if you ask us a customization, which we think that's going to breach, the care management, then we will not do that definitely. So any request cannot come to us if it's going to make you non-compliant, right? So we've got NDIS consultants in contact. We've got our developers, our testers, our team of, who does R&D for the development. So we've got a good hands-on team in place. So for the disability care CRM, that's the backbone of your operations. If you've got a good CRM solution that can handle your business, you will see how much time it saves for your admin, right? You might be doing, multiple things at the same time, same person doing different things, or same person that doesn't need to do, a compliance check or a validation check. So in Izango, basically from participant onboarding to invoicing, payroll, your knowledge bases, news feeds, and there's heaps of different add-ons that you can take. So Izango, we have built with the purpose to create something to make it a win-win situation for yourself and us as a company. We don't want to be billionaires here. We want to make a difference in the care management industry, basically. So Izango has always been built to tweak out, to ease out, to take care of your regulatory compliance and efficiencies. And it always will be evolving as well as we grow. And NDIS, as you know, it's ever changing. So as the things are changing, the software is going to change as well. Then we've got the support coordination CRM. So in that, your support coordinators, if you are the super admin is the support coordinator, you can manage the support coordination within the same platform. And then as you grow, if you hire support coordinators, you can give assignment of the participants, and then you can deal with your support coordination. You can take care of your budgets and everything in there. You can keep track of, which agency you have assigned a particular budget. When they go over that budget or under, you can see how much funding is left and everything. So everything is managed by the CRM itself as well. Then we've got your allied health as a branch of Izango, whereas from your participant intake to your detailed clients meetings, and then we've got telehealth in place as well in allied health, and we've got a team who's working on making allied health even better. And then we have got why Izango? because you've got multiple different softwares, right, out in the market. And people ask me, why Ezango? Why should I go for Ezango? There's, so many other softwares out there. Some are cheaper than you. Why should I come for Ezango? So the Ezango differentiators are the participant management. So in Ezango, our product has been, appreciated by the auditors for the data management in the CRM. So you can, it's not just about, putting the participant entry in the CRM and then scheduling the shifts. It's about the management of service agreements. You don't need any third-party integration for your service agreements. You don't need actually any third-party CRM apart from your accounting software in your data management, right? Through your service agreements, your important documents, plans, documents, everything intact in the same platform. And then funding, you don't need to vaguely, manage funding in Excel sheets and somewhere else in the CRM. You put the participant at the funding. Ezango can also be integrated directly with Prada, and the funding from the Prada directly flows in your portal as well. So you don't need to, that's one thing off your mind. Incident management. So incident management is something it is very close to my heart because in our CRM, it's not just about adding an incident in the CRM. It's linked with the participant, with the shifts, and then through the incident, we've got a really beautiful feature that we have added. You can send the knowledge base through the incident from it, because with every incident, there is a learning you want to share, right? So because I tell my team that it can be an incident for you, but it can be the incident for that participant. So we really, want to make every effort to tweak out that care management, that differentiator that we can be in within your industry. Then we've got client notes. You can manage all your client notes. It's engaging with the application. The notes get linked with the participant. Admins can see it. Admin gets alert and everything. Time and roster, that is basic functionality. Everything is in a basic portal as well. And then we've got a few more pointers that we want to mention. In Ezango, you can manage your participant goals. You can further enhance them, add the progressions and everything. Your support workers can also, if let's say my goal is for swimming, they can take me for a swimming class, put in my progression, and then enhance it. Now, with the invoicing and payroll, I have had my clients as well telling me, because I take care of operations, but I do coordination myself as well. The only reason why I still do coordination is I want to be close to my team, my developers, and my clients as well. Until if I leave that coordination, I feel that I will lose that touch from my clients. So invoicing and payroll has been, impacts drastically when you use a good CRM tool. And that's where Ezango, steps in. Compliance, you can manage your compliance automatically within Ezango. You don't need to worry if my, Shivani's first aid certificate has expired and whatnot. They'll let the system deal with all the compliance checks. You don't need to worry about that. Now, there's a few things like lead management, group activities that can be integrated with your website. So that's also one less, thing that you don't need to worry about. All your leads, instead of missing it or going to junk mail or whatever, it comes straight away to your CRM. So you're not missing any leads. Employee engagement. Engagement in Ezango through the CRM or within our team is a very crucial functionality. Because the closer you are with your support workers, the closer you are with your other admins, it makes impact. You can share news feeds, chats, you can have group chats within your CRM. So you don't need to use WhatsApp or another chat functionality. And then we've got data security. Data security we take very seriously within Ezango. So all the data is saved at AWS. You cannot have a better server than AWS throughout the world. So, and then all the data is only accessed within Australia. So that doesn't mean, if I go to holiday in New Zealand, I won't be able to access my portal. You do, but then also that access will be released for that particular IP. So your data, which is also a crucial data, is not, in danger or is not at risk of hacking and whatnot. So we take data security very seriously. We've got two-factor authentication. We do daily and weekly backups as well, and all the data is encrypted. Izango CRM's URLs, they cannot be found on Google. They're not indexed on Google. And the data integration is very, very important for us. And then we've got web security. And now I'm going to call Ria, who's going to talk about real challenges that have come across to her, to our team. And that's the challenges you guys face on day-to-day life. So here's Ria from Izango.
Thank you, guys. This is Ria. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the challenges. I hope you've liked our product till now because we worked very, very hard on it. It is not because we want to make money out of it. It is because we want to help the industry to not face the challenges which they're facing today. So I'm just going to talk a bit about them. So the very first challenge is the paperwork. Like Bobby was talking about, how are you intaking a client? So when we are intaking a client, there's an intake form which you have to fill. There are a lot of details you have to take in. There are things like their service agreements. You need to have all kind of their plan documents. So what we have done for you is we've created all kind of forms for you, be it their risk assessments, be it their intake form, or there are any kind of health details. And we have also given you a leverage to create your own forms, which are dynamic in nature, that can be sent to a third party through system itself. You no more need to send a paperwork, you no more need to send through emails. System will do it all that for you. We've got challenges like how are you feeling compliant through rostering? So rostering is a challenge which everybody faces. You calling every time, are you available? Is someone is on leave or not? Is that person compliant enough to do a shift for them? So this is what we have already simplified for you through our rostering system. You will no more need to call people because we have got thing called a job board wherein you can send open shifts and people, and it will only be reflected to eligible people. So for example, we've got level management, both for your participants and your staff members. We match the levels and we send the shift only to that person who is eligible to do that shift. Nobody else is going to see it. Nobody else is going to get it. So you no more need to call them. You no more need to have it whether they're available or not. The system is doing that for you. The leave management, it is in the system for you. So basically we're trying to cut all kind of paperwork. We're trying to cut all kind of calls for you so that you can spend that time somewhere else and do which is more productive enough rather than just calling people. Then the client record information. So this is what I've spoke earlier. This is regarding any kind of document management you have for your participants. So we've got out of all systems available for NDIS processes, we have got the simplified document management. We have given you a leverage to show it in the mobile app itself. If you want to show any kind of document of your participant, we also take care of your care notes. We also take care of any kind of plan document or any kind of health reports. We also have given you an integration wherein you can send the forms to GPs or your, any allied health professional, anybody at all. You can do it through system. There is no need of doing it through paper, through emails, through SMS. System will also send SMS for you. Then we've got the compliance. Now, when it comes to your staff members, you need them to be compliant enough to be working for your participant. So we've made the compliance. We've got an HR management system inbuilt. The HR takes care of all your contracts, all kind of compliance you're doing for your staff. There's with respect to compliance, we've given you a leverage to create your own forms. If there's a form that has been mandatory or there's a document that is mandatory for your staff, and your staff has not added it from the mobile app, further an admin has verified from your end, you can't create a shift for that person because system believes this person is not compliant enough. And we cut it down that you no more can create shifts for that person. So this is how we manage it. We will cut down your time on that as well. And then too many softwares. So people using too many softwares in industry. So for example, you've got different HR management, you do somewhere, you're going for DocuSign somewhere else, then you're going for having your service agreement somewhere else. So we've got a place wherein you no more need to have all 10, 5, 6 different softwares. We'll do it all in one for you. And apart from that, any kind of manual work you're doing in your industry, in your company, you come back to us. We will sit with you, discuss with you of how we can make it dynamic in nature and put it in the same platform, so that you don't have to look for all other platforms and keep managing with all other teams, because we've got the best support. That is what I vouch for whenever I'm getting the clients on board. We've got all our project coordinators here as well. They're always there to help you. We are also available on calls. We are always available for you. You've got a brochure called Izango Care Partners on your table with my card on it. Give a call, we can discuss. You have a demo of our software. It would just be 30 to 40 minutes of your time. And in case you've got a questionnaire, the time can be longer, but that depends on your needs. And that's all. We are here to help you, help the industry. Izango is growing. We want to grow with you. So every aspect of your industry, we want to incubate in our system. And that's what we are striving for. That's what we're doing. But we need your help as well. We have upcoming developments like medication management, invoicing for capital support, governance, restrictive practices, and we also getting in AI. I know it can be a fancy word, but we're trying to build it in so that the work you're doing, that can be minimized and you focus more on the participants and not on the software. And we have a special offer for you guys in case you are coming up and signing up within next 2 weeks. We have got 30% off for first 3 months. Please get in touch with me or Rex. Rex was here. I don't know where is he. He's there. So get in touch with me or Rex, and we should be able to solve all your needs. Thank you so much for having me and listening to me and bearing my voice as well. Thank you.